Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone. My name is Kathy. We have some breaking news for you. Out of the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, there have been 2 more witnesses that it appears the defense is seeking to have appear at the forthcoming trial in Idaho. The first is a gentleman with the first name of William. There is an order that has been entered in Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, and it states, and now this 23rd day of June, upon consideration of the petition of summons directing witness William to appear and testify in out-of-state criminal proceedings filed in the above captioned matter. It is hereby ordered a hearing on the petition shall be held on the 30th day of June, 2025 at 9:00 a.m. in courtroom 6 at the Monroe County Courthouse. Petitioner shall promptly serve a copy of this order upon William. William shall appear at the hearing to show cause why he should not be compelled to attend and testify at the out-of-state criminal proceedings, and this is signed by the court in Pennsylvania. And the way that we believe that this is a defense witness is because the petitioner in Pennsylvania is an attorney, Abigail Purnell, and she is the same attorney who moved to have the 5 other witnesses earlier in June be ordered to appear at the trial on behalf of the defense. The second, this is a similar order, is for a man by the name of Anthony to attend and testify in out-of-state criminal proceedings in the above styled matter. And the above styled matter cites to Idaho criminal proceeding case number CR 0124 31665, just as the first subpoena says, and that is the case styled as Idaho versus Kohberger. And then finally, there's a decorum order, and now on this 23rd day of June 2025, after consultation and administrative office of the Pennsylvania courts and Monroe County Sheriff, it is ordered as follows. The order shall apply to the conduct of all scheduled court proceedings held in these cases in Monroe County, Pennsylvania. And then it goes through the mandatory requirements for reporters and members of the public who seek to attend these hearings. Now there are 7 in total for defense witnesses, and it says mandatory. All reporters and members of the general public must enter the courthouse through the Monroe Street entrance. Security screening will take place there and at the entrance to the courtroom as required by the sheriff. Reporters and members of the general public will begin to be admitted to the courtroom 45 minutes before the start of a hearing. Admission will close 5 minutes before the hearing starts, except as authorized by the sheriff, and so on and so forth. And this is also signed by the court in Pennsylvania. If you would like to review these 2 new items for the 2 additional proposed defense witnesses, please plug into your search engine of choice, Commonwealth of Pennsylvania versus Kohberger 682MD2022 for selected postings. This will show you all of the proposed witnesses that the defense is seeking to have summoned out of Pennsylvania to appear in Idaho for Mr. Kohberger's trial, as well as earlier filings from December 2022. This is the police criminal complaint, and in January of 2023 regarding the extradition proceedings where Mr. Kohberger was returned to Idaho and his waiver of extradition. Thank you for joining us here today.